Arch is done. I wish I'd done more dry brushing with the khaki paint, but if I do another one or ever have to tweak it, go heavier on the dry brushing. And then I corpsed pumpkins with the foam pumpkins from the dollar store. And I have a video of that on my YouTube. And then I got this guy from Walmart. This guy I snitched from a broken one here at the museum. Somebody put a mustache on him. And then we had a couple of bones left. And so we just stuck the bones on. And then I'll come through this way and show you this side. Oop. And it's got a light in it. I can take a small, quick video with the light on later. Looks awesome.